how to disable sync Facebook friends on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable sync Facebook friends on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile here, and after you click on it, click history lines in the top corner, and then click settings and privacy, and here we'll find privacy. Click on it and then click sync contacts and Facebook friends. Here click on it, and now here we'll find sync Facebook friends, and if you want to disable it, just click on it, and that's it as you see. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.